Afternoon, student. I hope you all are ready with your copy and pencil. So all the best for today's exam. Today I'll give you MCQs type questions and long questions also. Okay. So please complete before the time. After completing the exam, send the PDF file through my WhatsApp number. So can you able to see my screen, Mahi?
Yes, ma'am, but इसमें तो कोई long question है ही नहीं, question answer ही नहीं है इसमें.
Please, Mahi, read the question carefully. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Here I have given short questions. What is the word meaning of moss? What is the word meaning of beetle? What is the word meaning of merrymaking? Who is the poet of the poem Fairies? Now, question number 5. Look at the picture carefully and write 5 sentences each one. Use the word given below. I have given one picture. You have to see the picture very carefully. And when you are making sentence, that time you have to use these words. I have given some words. Okay, it will help you to make the sentence. So whenever you will make any sentence, please use these words. After that, I have given tick the correct answers. Okay, total 5 tick the correct answer I have given. Start writing. Okay, so I have given 4 questions. After that, see the pictures, and after that I have given tick the correct answer. So first do it fast. Yes, Nishita.
मैम आंसर लिखना है कि क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है?
Please, Nishita, don't ask this question. I already told you, don't write questions, only write the answers. Yesterday also I told you. So don't waste your time. Utilize your time. Yes, Laksh.
मैम
Hmm.
ये तो हम कल लिख चुके हैं।
Oh, you have written these questions. Yesterday I have taken EVS test.
तो मैम एक मिनट।
Yesterday I have taken EVS test, Laksh. Please do it fast. And if I am not able to see your face, I will put you absent mark. So please on your camera. Yes, Vidit. Yes, Vidit.
मैम आप बोले था कि जिसका लर्न करना है, मैं तो वो बुक में तो वर्ड मीनिंग मेरे को दिखा ही नहीं।
Very good, Vidit.
कल जब वर्ड मीनिंग मेरे को दिखा ही नहीं।
Okay. बहुत अच्छे से मतलब you are studying at all. You are studying very nicely. You haven't seen the word meaning. Well done. I will not tell you anything. After exam, I will tell you all these things. You have not seen any word meaning. Really, Vidit. Look at the picture carefully. And I have given some word. This word I have given. So please use this word. Okay. Write the question fast. What is the word meaning of moss? What is the word meaning of beetle? What is the word meaning of merrymaking? Who is the poet of poem? And tomorrow I will ask you all the answers. So if you will learn, then only write the answer. If I see you have written the answer and you are not able to give the answer, after that I will give you 0 mark. So please, if you learn the answer, then only you write. Don't ask anyone and don't see from your copy or book. After that, tick the correct answer is there. Yes, Anmol.
मैम पिक्चर्स का क्या करना है? मैम पिक्चर्स का क्या करना है?
I have given the instruction. Read it. Look at the picture carefully. Write 6 sentences about each one. Use the word given below. You have to make sentence. 6 sentences you have to make.
मैम आप वर्ड दोगे क्या?
I have given the word, but not only use this word. You have to watch the picture very carefully. After that, you have to make your own sentence.
मैम 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 अपने मन से लिख सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, that is your imagination.
Okay.
Ansh Jain, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvam, I want to see your face. Yuvam, I want to see your face.
Yes.
And Chaityajan, I want to see your face. If you send copy, I will not check your copy. Now I want to see your face. Chaityajan. Yes. You must on your camera. Okay. I have given the pick the correct answers also. There are fairies. Options are in the garden's shade, at the bottom of the poet's garden, inside the poet's house. Second question, the wood has moss and beetle, moss and grasshopper, grasshopper and beetle. The butterflies and bees would hold up the light, create a breeze, sit on the moonbeams. The fairies make a fan with the moonbeams using moss with the star. Number 5, the fairies stand up and sing to welcome the fairy king and queen when they are merrymaking. Or third option, when they are leaving the forest. Yeah, yesterday I saw copies, so many copies I have seen, and I saw so many children have written the spelling of sign. S-I-G-N, sign is the correct spelling, but many of them you have written S-I-N-G, sing, like Tanis Jain. Tanis Jain, yesterday you have written the spelling of sign. Do you know what is the spelling of sign? You have written S-I-N-G, sing. But it is wrong spelling. The correct spelling is S-I-G-N, sign. Not Tanish. Yesterday I have seen Soham, Yuvam and Nishita. Many of them have done this mistake. Kavisha.
मैम मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन दिखाओ ना.
Okay. Second question. Yes, Laksh. If you
What is मैम मैं इंग्लिश की बुक में नहीं पढ़ पाया.
if you will talk in Hindi, I will not give you answer.
मैम I can't read this poem.
So what? I have given all the questions from your book, exercise solution.
I don't know the word meaning, ma'am.
That is not good, Laksh. If you don't know, then leave it. If you know the rest of, if you know the rest,
because I'm doing revision of all of my subjects.
but you have to revise the English also, na? Like
Ma'am,
you are doing other subject, but you have to revise the English subject also. This is your main subject.
ma'am, I do.
So Laksh, if you don't know the answer, then it's okay. After giving the exam, please learn all the word meanings and please attend others question.
And can I write after reading and after test and send you?
No. You will learn. I will ask you whenever I will take again test, that time you can attend. But not now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, I want to see words.
Yes, sorry. Please repeat again.
Ma'am, I want to see fifth one.
The words. All the words that I have given, na?
Yes. Yep.
Where is the word? Okay, I have written here. No issue. Butterfly. Number 1, butterfly. Number 2, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Number 3, fairy. Number 3, flower.
Blue.
Flower. And number 5, sky.
Ma'am, blue.
Wait. Okay. Butterfly, blue, fairy.
Blue butterfly.
No. It's a different word. Butterfly, blue, fairy, flower, sky. Okay.
Sky.
So whenever you will make any sentence, that time you can use this word. That is your own imagination. How you will make sentence. Okay. Avishi Jain. Yes, Avishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avishi.
मैम मैंने पहले फ्लावर लिख दी, पहले फ्लावर का सेंटेंस लिख दी.
Okay. That is not big issue. Yes, Risha. Risha Jain.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes.
मैम मैं कल पढ़ नहीं पाई थी.
क्यों? First of all, if you speak in Hindi, I will not give you any answer. Why, Risha? What happened? You went somewhere? You went somewhere?
No, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, I have injuries, that's why.
Okay. No issue. You have learned all the questions, but you can attend this question. Look at the picture carefully. Write 6 sentences about each one. That you can attain. And pick the correct answer that you don't know. Pick the correct answer.
मैंने नहीं पढ़ा.
Okay, so attain this question. Question number 5.
I have not studied.
Okay, that question number 5. That
Yes, ma'am.
question number 5 you have to attain. Okay, Risha, question number 5 you have to attain. That is your own imagination that I have not given from your book. Yes, Risha.
मैम मेरे को इसमें सेंटेंस कैसे समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
You have to look at the pictures and make a sentence with the help of these words. Right?
मैम 5 अलग अलग सेंटेंस बनाने हैं कि अगर एक सेंटेंस में 2 वर्ड आ गया तो चलेगा.
No. You have to make 6 sentences. And regarding this,
पर मैम यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 5 वर्ड्स है.
so you can make it own. I have given 5 words, so no issue. I have given another one. Grass. Okay. Now I have given 6 words. Now do it fast. Kavisha.
मैम थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन दिखाओ ना, बार बार ऊपर कर दे रहे हो तो नहीं देख.
Don't know Hindi. If you ask, I will not give you answer. This is the last time. This is Hindi period. So why you people all are talking in Hindi? Yes. Kashvi.
मैम
Yes.
मैम नंबर क्वेश्चन दिखाओ ना प्लीज मैम.
I don't,
8 क्वेश्चन.
I don't know Hindi.
Ma'am, please take question.
सॉरी मैम, प्लीज 8 क्वेश्चन.
Question number 8.
यस मैम.
Question number 8 that I have not given. Pick the correct answer.
मैम करेक्ट. मैम राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन.
Okay, tick the correct option. Okay. Okay. Now is it okay?
यस मैम.
So continue. Continue. After completing, tick the correct answer. You have to complete these questions. See the picture. Look the picture carefully. Look at the picture very carefully, and after that, write 6 sentences about each one. I have given some word. Mahi. Yes, Mahi.
मैम ऊपर करो ना, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन का लास्ट 4th और 5th देखना है.
Mahi, I don't know Hindi and I will not give you answer.
Ma'am, I have not written 4th and 5th of tick the correct option.
So you want to see question number 4th and 5th, right?
Yes.
Soham.
Ma'am.
Soham.
Ma'am, दिखाओ ना. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Soham. Yes, Soham. Yes.
Bring it down.
Ma'am, नीचे.
Ma'am, bring it down.
I
नीचे
don't
नहीं.
know Hindi.
इंग्लिश में बोलना है, सो हम इंग्लिश में बोलो.
Ma'am, could you please bring it down? Bol.
Ma'am,
Soham.
Please.
Next time I will not give you.
please take it down.
Okay. Ansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ansh. You have raised your hand.
No, no, ma'am.
No. Yes, Nishita. Yes, Nishita.
मैम मैंने जो आपको अपने टेस्ट की फोटो भेजी उसमें मिस्टेक.
I don't know Hindi. So I will not give you any answer. Nishita.
Ma'am, I give you test notebook
That
and
I have got. Yesterday you have sent notebook, na? That I have got. Anything else?
ma'am, notebook पे mistake.
Okay, if any mistake is there, then I'll let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If any mistake is there, I'll let you know. Yes, Chaitya.
Ma'am, question 3 of tick the correct option.
Question 3. Yes. Akshat.
Ma'am, fourth, ma'am, छोटी question, fourth of tick the correct option.
Sorry, repeat again.
Ma'am, please show the question 4 of tick the correct option.
Question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanish.
मैम वो
Yes.
मैम वो मेरे को यही नहीं करवाई अभी.
I don't know Hindi, Tanish.
मैम नो प्रॉब्लम. मैम नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, no problem is there, but you have raised your hand, dear. Okay, so mute yourself. Arya Jain. Arya Jain.
मैम माही करवा दी मैम मुझे नंबर 2 का बोलना 2 का देखना था
I don't know Hindi. Yuvam.
यस
I don't know Hindi. What do you want?
मैम
Yes.
मैम मुझे इंग्लिश में बोलना नहीं आता है थोड़ा
Yes, you have to try.
आता है
You have to try. You have to try. Nobody will love you. If you speak wrong English, then nobody will love you. But you have to try. Yes, speak Yuvam.
I will number 2
Question number 2 or tick the correct answer.
yes
Tick the correct answer. Now I am sharing you. Question number 2. Okay.
ma'am I will 3 writing
Okay, you are writing 3. Well, okay, don't issue. But we don't have extra time. Only 6 minutes are left. So do it fast. After completing the class, I will give you only 5 minutes. After that, I will not accept any copy. Yes, Risha. Risha.
मैं आपको टेस्ट आज ही भेजूंगी ना
Hmm,
I will send you the text
Risha,
today
I don't know Hindi. How many times I have to say I
Ma'am.
don't know Hindi?
excuse me ma'am I have to send English test today onwards
Yes, today, not only today. After completing this class, within 5 minutes, I want the copy. Vidit Jain.
ma'am test or only this one which I am writing
This one,
ma'am CA number 5
serial number 5. Okay.
ma'am
Tick the correct answer, Vidit.
excuse me ma'am
1 minute, Risha. Tick
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Vidit.
yes ma'am
Okay, 5.
ma'am tick the correct वाला हो गया
So tick the correct answer is completed. You want to show the picture. You want to see?
excuse me ma'am
Yes, Risha.
ma'am I have to send only number 5 for whole test
Only number 5 because you don't know the others answer, na? You don't know the answers.
ma'am
So after giving the test,
ma'am CA number 5
serial number 5.
ma'am tick the correct option
Okay,
tick the correct option
okay, okay. Yes, Laksh.
I want to see the fifth and sixth question answer of tick the correct option.
Not there, only 5th is there. So I am sharing you 5th. Okay? I am sharing you. Dhairya Jain, are you writing? Dhairya Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing, Dhairya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Number
okay.
5th, last number.
5th is going on. Okay. Anmol Jain. Anmol Jain. Yes, Anmol. Yes, Anmol. Anmol Jain.
I have completed.
Okay, good. Revise it and don't forget to write your name. If I see name is not written, then I will not check your copy.
Ma'am, I am right name.
Name, class, chapter name, everything has to be written.
नेम भी बोल रहे क्या मैम?
मैम चैप्टर नेम भी लिखना है?
Yes, obviously. Tanish Jain.
चैप्टर लिख दे.
Tanish Jain.
तू लिखना पहले, मत भेज उसको.
Anmol, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Yes, Tanish, you have raised your hand. Ansh Jain, how many questions are left? Ansh Jain, how many questions are left?
Ma'am, I have done. मैंने आपको फोटो करके सेंड कर दिया मैम.
Okay, Ansh, I don't know Hindi, so I will not give you any answers. You have to speak in English. Yes, let me check. You have already sent, na? So let me check. Avishi Jain. Avishi Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay,
Ma'am, and I am sending you.
you have already sent. Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Akshat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One,
would you say, ma'am, 6, 7, 10 to the corner, the correct option.
fifth. Up to fifth only is there. Sixth is not there. Yes, Tanish.
Ma'am, then I have done.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good. Then you have to send. Make a PDF file. Scanner. Have you downloaded Cam Scanner? If you have downloaded, then good. If you have not downloaded, then download Cam Scanner. After that, make a PDF file. Then yes.
मैम मैम मेरा एक ही पेज में आ गया मैम.
Again, you are speaking in Hindi, Tanish. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done in one page.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent in class 3 VJV group, ma'am.
VJV group. Class 3 group. Yes. But that Suman ma'am has created. Suman ma'am has created one group, na? Class 3.
Yes, ma'am, उसमें भेजो.
Yes. Yes, Laksh. Yes, Laksh.
Ma'am, I am sending you.
Okay, Chaitya Jain. Chaitya
I
Jain.
have done, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent you.
Okay, Chaitya, have you sent your notes? Chaitya? Chaitya Jain?